They went to swing at his ass. They went to hit his ass, but bro running. He was trying to run to the church over him. They said, goddamn, they went to hit his ass. He fell right there by there. They said, wow,